Hello, family, and welcome back to Glorious Decor and More with Evangelist Grace. Thank you for coming, and please, before we get started, don't forget to press the notification bell to subscribe and get all the videos that I have. I thank you all so much for coming. Below, you will see my cocktail table in my front room. This angel is very precious to me and it's very old. It was given to me as a gift by my son, and I thank him for it, and of course I love it. The red bird that you see is actually a peacock, and I got it from Walmart years ago. And I decided to pin it to my angel because my color scheme this year is red, well, and burgundy. A lot of people say I'll never use red in my home, but it is a signature piece, and these are the ornaments, etc., that I've had for years. And although they're very inexpensive, they are very precious to me. So I wanted to show you this beautiful angel holding this candle with the red bird. I have the berries with a couple of ornaments on them. And forgive the focus, please, and forgive the lack of lighting. I'm using a flashlight because my Ring camera is not working appropriately at the time. But I did want to share my cocktail table with you all for the year. I don't think I'll be changing anything because it is very budget friendly and I like it. Now, once again, I tell you, I'm not a YouTuber on a grand scale as some of the lovely videos that I see, but I am getting started, and I believe God will bless me and elevate me to the next level. So if you're not on a grand scale at this time and you're using a budget-friendly decor and more, it's okay as long as you and your family are enjoying it. Thank you all for coming. And again, please subscribe, engage, play the reel to the end, and follow me. I'm on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you so much. And y'all, please come back because guess what? I will be back. Angels we have heard on high, God bless you. Pray for me. I'm praying for you. Goodbye.